Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import and export the contacts from your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the contacts here and click on the Fit and Manage. There you have an option to export to file or import to file. You can export to the device or contacts, export to the SIM card, and same this like import from files contact to my sends to be available on their device. As you see, in this case the phone wants from us to import the file, export contacts from the SIM cards to the file. And as you see, we're gonna choose the file which you want now to export. And manage SIM, we can import the contacts from our SIM to our phone. If you click on import, you're gonna copy all the contacts from the SIM card to your phone. And as you see, we have our contacts in our phone. That's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!